And now at 6, breaking news on the investigation into the death of an LAPD officer after a training accident. His family claimed the exercise was a simulated mob and Officer Houston Tipping was beaten. But we have just received the autopsy report. And CBS 2 senior reporter Ross Palombo is here with details of what that report says and how it could affect this investigation.
Well, Pat, despite the allegations, the coroner basically saying there was nothing suspicious. In fact, we just got the coroner's report right here. And take a look at this. This one sentence saying it all. Quote, "I have deemed," the coroner says, "the manner of death in this case to be an accident." Now, this all began back in May when Officer Houston Tipping died 3 days after a training accident at LAPD's Elysian Park Academy. Chief Michael Moore says Tipping fell to the floor and suffered from a spinal cord injury. Officers tried CPR and he was rushed into surgery, but he still died. The family has since filed a legal claim, though, alleging Tipping was repeatedly hit in the head and that he had other injuries that couldn't be explained by just a fall. His mother even saying fellow officers paralyzed and killed him, breaking the law. Her attorney spoke last month.
There were injuries to multiple areas of Houston's body. 2 sides of his head. One side needed to have staples to close the cuts and bleeding, and the other side was swelling.
He was beaten, and he ended up being killed because of it. Why they did that to him, I don't know yet.
Well, the autopsy goes on to explain those other injuries, saying that they came from a head clamp during surgery and that his ribs were broken and his liver was damaged during CPR. So what will this mean for that wrongful death claim? Well, the family's attorney is speaking with us right now at this very moment, Pat, and we'll bring you that reaction as soon as we have it. Also, Chief Moore just telling me moments ago that he hasn't seen this report himself, but he still stands by his original comments about how this tragic accident happened.